Mahiwas, mapresko, hiling paan Bulkan Mayon. Yan ang tampukan sarong bagong resort na nasa tahaw nin umahan sa Kamalig Albay. Ang resort perfect destination lalo na sa maharasaas na panahon. Si Abraham Dick na hali pang Canada, ug mananggad hulit apwera sa nakapag-swimming siya na hiling niya pa ang Bulkan Mayon.
This is the place we like because it was so beautiful. It was facing the mountains, the Mayon volcano mountain, and with such a beautiful view and such beautiful grounds here, we decided to do our experiences here. And it has nothing but pleasure for us. Everything we've experienced has been really, really super, and we just love the people and the atmosphere here. It's so great.
Ang pamilya Calavia kan Naga City, sulit mandaan pagdayo sa Albay, lalo na kan mapasyara ng lugar na saro sa mga dugang na summer getaway resort sa probinsya.
Then, na-relax kami. Ang ambience, very cool talaga. Magayon, talagang relaxing naman. Super ugma, talagang mawawar ang stress mo, gabos, mawawar ang problema. Kaya isipon talagang ma-enjoy ka lang ining palibot lang mahiling mo talaga. Gabos mahiling mo magayon.
Dating paroyan ang kinamumugtakan kan resort, huli sa natural na gayon kan lugar, naisipan kan pamilya nagibuhon ining resort as in dagos sa binuksan sa publiko kan nakaaging taon.
Was a love child of all the siblings po ng aming lolo. Pinaghirapan po nila to, and they saw the potential of having a hotel resort where people can rest while having a full view of the Mount Mayon, because they saw na sila lang nakakita ng ganda ng Mayon dito. So sabi nila, share natin sa iba na meron tayong ganitong blessing from God.
Apwera sa pool, iguaman ining function hall, restaurant as in mahiwas na espasyo para sa outdoor activities. Mayo man sindang pigahagad na entrance fee.
Sa lahat po ng guest, future guest, please visit Onju Hotel and Events Place. We have a website, www.onjuhotel.com. We also have Facebook and Instagram accounts. You can type in Onju Hotel and you can search us. We have our contact numbers there and website. Please visit us, talk to us, and visit Bicol, Kamalig Albay, kasi nandito lang naman po kami sa Bicol region. And enjoy the view of Mount Mayon with us here, all of us here sa Onju Hotel.
Makukuha ang Onju Hotel and Events Place sa Purok 1, Barangay Sinandayan, Suwa, Kamalig Albay, asin bukas 24 oras. Para sa mga baratang tatak Bicol, Regine Bue.